Mga magbiyan na naman ang mga kasama natin dito sa pambansang laro ng bayan ng Pinoy Henyo. Pero bago yan, alito muna ang ating stewardess. At itong ating purser na si Pia, ating stewardess ay si Stewardess Saida. Ano meron tayo ngayon?
I prepared, wow, kwek-kwek and kikiamid spiced vinegar today.
Teka. Is your kwek-kwek clean?
Yes, sir, my kwek-kwek are clean.
Why? What did you do?
Before cooking the egg, I washed it and then coat with the flour.
Be sure to watch your kwek-kwek. Okay?
And
It's
it
your
has
kwek-kwek.
onions and garlic. So you can smell the onions and the garlic.
Your kwek-kwek is so red, huh? Huh? Why? Is it really red?
It's blushing, sir.
Is this really red, the kwek-kwek?
Orange.
Orangey. Oh, okay. Orangey.
Thank you, stewardess.
Okay. Thank you, Saida, for your very nice kwek-kwek.